how the Facebook algorithm really works. A lot of people think that Facebook hate advertisers because they're so strict to us, and they ban our account, and we have so many guidelines and rules that we have to obey to. But actually Facebook is making their money on the advertisers. But what is more important to Facebook is the users. The users are like the product of Facebook, and the advertisers are the customers. But if the users weren't there, then the advertisers wouldn't advertise on Facebook. So Facebook has to make sure that the users like to be on the platform, otherwise they'll go somewhere else, and then the advertisers will also go away. So that's why they're protecting the user experience with having strict guidelines for the advertisers, so that it's still a good user experience for the user to be on Facebook. Because, like I said, if the user doesn't like to be on Facebook, they'll go away, go to other platforms. And when they go away, then all the advertisers go away, and then all the revenue goes away for Facebook. Hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it, and follow for more. Take care.